100% social media. I can talk to thousands of people in 1 minute versus one person on the street. And I don't know, it works for me. It works for the person that I am. And that's what I enjoy the most.
So what would you do on social media? Or would you join in specific groups, or would you start a page, or what would you do on social media?
For me personally, because I am so passionate about the topic of what I do in this business, I would start a page and just start loving on people and adding loads of value. That's what's worked for me. And a lot of people have success in groups and and adding value that way. But I know that I can recreate the communities that I have on social media, and I know that I could recreate that success doing it that way.